Well, my friends, this is a gentle lady, age about 60 years, has been suffering from dyspepsia for last 3 months. The obesity, the mild temperament, thirstless, little bit irritability, but consolation, amelioration, all symptoms go in favor of wind flower. Wind flower, flower माने की फूल, कुछ नहीं जानता है आप. So treat the patient, not the disease, in very brief, in very nutshell. সংক্ষেপে আমি কেসটা দেখাচ্ছি, time short. So going through the whole case, I have understood within few minutes or seconds the case is pulsing. The patient is pulsing. The mild, the sober, the taciturn, the dyspepsia, thirstless, consolation, aberration, and tendency to obesity, all symptoms go in favor of pulsing. So matters little to me whether she has been suffering from dyspepsia or cardiac problems. My patient is pulsing. So being a homeopathic physician, I must know the art of homeopathic treatment, the philosophy of homeopathic treatment, the principle of homeopathic treatment, the basic law of homeopathic treatment, the basic dictum of homeopathic treatment. Treat the patient, not the disease. And moreover, there is some moles here and there, and the patient is psychotic, and Pulsatilla is a great antipsychotic medicine. Let's see the result. এই ডিসপেপসিয়া কেস কীরকম থাকে আমি জানাবো সবাই.